Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So Tim sold his Escalade that we did for him and decided he couldn't be without audio in his brand new Jeep Gladiator Mojave edition. So Jeep's brand new. It's got custom interior, looks really good. Then he just couldn't go without his audio, so he had to go big once again. Decided to go with 4 6.5-inch Skar subwoofers under the rear seats, 4 PRV8s in the DS18 soundbar. We're reusing the amps for the other truck, so Sound Digital 3000 for the bass, and his Taramps 3000 to run the 8s, and the smaller Taramps amplifier to run the mids and highs. This is a brand new truck. We didn't want to cut anything up, so we wanted everything to look factory. Pee-wee did a great job of rebuilding the rear panel, so instead of cutting the rear panel, we built a new one, wrapped it, made everything look like factory. So with everything closed up, you can't tell that we've touched it. We used an Amp Pro to get signal from the factory head unit, and then piped that into the Hertz H8 DSP. Check out how far we've gotten so far. So it's probably difficult to tell what's going on here, but this is a brand new Jeep Wrangler Gladiator. We didn't want to cut the factory plastic panel behind the seat because this is literally a brand new truck with a couple miles on it. So Pee-wee actually rebuilt the whole factory panel and did all the factory cutouts. So the client has his original factory panel uncut. This car can go 100% back to factory. Pee-wee did a great job. Look at those lines. So the seats fit perfectly. And if he trades the truck in or sells the truck, we put the factory panel back in and take this panel out. Overhead bar, factory replacement with the 8s, and 4 6-inch subwoofers going under the seat. There's the factory panel, completely uncut.